calling us for fitment and questions on like what size will go on your vehicle. So I'll take them out here. One sec. Check these out. These are from Luxor. These are 100 spoke wheels. These are the 13 by 7s. And then basically on these wire wheels, I think they just, it's like a regular part number of LW-137R1AC. It'll take you to the website. On these, I would recommend calling us for fitment and questions on like what size will go on your vehicle. So I'll take them out. You'll see this 100 spoke wire wheel, 13 by 7, has a nice deep dish. For those fitment questions on these, so you have to use an adapter, and there's lefts and then there's rights. So they have like these special bolt-on adapters that'll bolt on from 5.4.5 to 5.120 on both ends, or whatever your vehicle is. So then, you know, it'll just basically, this will bolt onto your car. There's a left side and a right side, and then you just put the dome piece on it. The dome piece will just go from basically the inside of this wheel straight out, and then you just lock this in. We do supply the wrench, but not the hammer. You can get any rubber mallet and put it together. So this will be the final look. There's different style domes. You could do like the spinner one or the any knockoff that you want, and that way you could complement it. These 13 by 7s, the lip size is about 4.5 inches. So if you guys are looking for wire wheels, I strongly recommend to call us. We'll help you out for the exact fitment that you need on your vehicle, and then that way you can place your order over the phone with us, and we could guide you to the right specs that you need. So if you guys are looking for 100 spoke or any more spokes that you guys want, feel free to give us a call. Thank you. Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing these wire wheels and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct.